And we are now here in the key center. I get in here because I saw a car park. Yeah, I don't know what's going on in here in this building. Yeah, Sydney Olympic Park, but I don't know what kind of park. Maybe it's the name of the town, of the city. I'm not sure. Now going out of the car park, and this is how it is. Oh, I don't know what they have in here. All the people are actually going to this direction, so you're going also there. I don't know what they have. This is a tennis center. I don't know if I want to go there. Maybe I don't like to go there. I don't like. I go this way. Oh, there is games happening inside. I don't know. Is it tennis? Oh no, it's volleyball. Yeah, volleyball. And there is this nice looking building. Yeah, this is the Sydney Olympic Park. Basically there are different venues for different kind of sports. Oh, I can see that there is a train down there. I'm seeing a lot of Suzuki Jimny today, and I already given 2 set of keyhole cover. Oh, I just came from the aquatic center. Yeah, so basically inside there are different division of swimming pools for Olympic. Yeah, also there is for recreational activities, and also there's for like a family something, swimming, yeah, leisure, and then sports swimming pool. And they also offer swimming lesson, group swimming lesson for adults, and it's $22. They do that every morning from 7 o'clock. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, every Saturday, Sunday. Yeah, but yeah, I can't do that because I'm living in Nelson Bay. It's very far away. Yeah. Also, it is in a public place. There are people walking around that they can have a look to you swimming. Yeah. I did not able to vlog, or I did not able even take a picture because yeah, my backpack is too big. I feel like it's very, I am paranoid walking with this backpack. Oh, there's another sports area there, kind of a stadium. Oh, this is a stadium, Acre Stadium. I never been to this part of Sydney when I was living here in Sydney. I don't know how is the crowds here, but today is a Sunday. Maybe that's why there's not so much people, and also maybe that's why a lot of people in the aquatic center. And there is this Sydney Olympic Park train station, park station. Those are Filipinos. I heard them talking. Actually tonight I don't know where I'm going to stay. Yeah, it is now 3 o'clock. The sunset, oh, it's already 4:21. Sunset will be later after in 30 minutes, 40 minutes. Where I left the car is actually $7 per hour. Yeah, maximum $35, 24 hours. There is the Pullman Hotel here. There is also Novotel, Ibis, and old looking building. Oh, I'm going back now to the car. Yeah, there is actually I think a competition, tennis competition happening at the moment. All the people that I've seen a while ago, they are on that direction. You know this building? Yeah, this is just a car park up to the last level. Good evening.
Hello, good afternoon guys.
Hello. Kamusta?
Kita namin si Kuya Robby dito sa DFO.
English yung vlog din.
Ano nga pala po?
Hindi, marami naman Tagalog. Okay lang yan.
Ayan si Kuya Robby, idol.
Okay lang yan.
Hello.
They shop, look at that. A lot of Nike.
Bumili kayo sa akin ha. May mga fans si Kuya Robby ha. Bye-bye!
Bye bye. And yeah, I'm now here in DFO. Yeah, and I meet Ruel. And the wife, I forgot the wife. Actually, the name is very familiar. I will remember that. This is a DFO outlet mall. So all the shops, they are selling products on discount. Yeah, discounted. I meet another couple. Yeah, but I already forgot. Right away, I forgot their name. Most of the shops are actually closed already. Yeah. We're going back now to the car. It is actually free to park here for up to 2 hours. More than that, I mean 3 hours is $6. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, we are at the moment here in Oxford Street. Yeah, here in Sydney. The end of this Oxford Street is here at the Hyde Park. Initially I thought this one is a garbage bin, but yeah, they just put garbage on the top. And we are now here in George Street. Yeah, I'm still considering this George Street as the main street here in Sydney because there's always a lot of people here. And I always mention that when I arrived here in Sydney in 2016, yeah, this road, I mean this is actually a road, yeah, a regular road. But then on the second day of me in Sydney, yeah, they started to put the barricades, and yeah, they started the construction of this tramway. They actually stay in the second floor of that building. Yeah, there is a hostel. I'm looking for a place to eat breakfast. I want it to be in a hotel as much as possible. Yeah, it's a natural phenomenon. Nice. This is the Apple store, and at the moment they are doing kind of having fun, and they are about to open. I'm not going there. I'm now not a big fan of Apple because yeah, they have a very, I mean they control the features of supposed to be available features now. Yeah. Look at the design of this sitting area. Yeah, it's just like that. If it is your first time here in George Street, and on weekdays, you'll go into love it here. But it's normal for most of the new places because every new thing for me is beautiful. This is another train station, tram station. Yeah, Wynyard. Actually down underground, all over to the other side underground is a Wynyard station for the train. Oh, looks like that is their buffet breakfast. That area, I see people there. Yeah, this is the Radisson Blue. And where is the circular key? There is the train and this is the tram. Oh, I realized that there is a nice breakfast restaurant here in front of the harbor. End up in this restaurant, City Extra. This City Extra restaurant is actually open for 24 hours. Yeah, this is just in front of the Sydney Harbor Bridge and Opera House. And at the moment it is busy here. It is good that when I sit here, yeah, they already asked me for a coffee and yeah, I'm having it now. But I'm already waiting for almost 30 minutes. And this is what I'm having. Yeah, toast and scrambled egg, mushroom, and a pancake. It is good that the thing is made to order. Yeah, the mushroom is made for me, but it needs more salt. Yeah, I just moved here on the second floor. Downstairs busy, and there are a few people here. That is where I had my coffee, and in case you don't know, on top of that is the train station, circular quay, and on top of that is the road, yeah, going to the bridge. And you can actually walk over that road. Is that a road or flyover? Okay, we'll continue walking around. Looks how much people are in here. So much, a lot.
Hi, Kuya Robby.
After a long time.
Again.
See you again.
Nice to
Jai.
meet you.
Bye bye. Oh, that's Jigs and the wife, Day. Yeah, I met them before. I met Jigs before. We went to Nelson Bay before. And in case you don't know, he's also vlogging. Yeah, his channel is Jigs TV. I need to be in the car by 8:30. The time now is 6:30. And I'm actually hungry, so I need to eat first. Or maybe I eat later. You know, the good thing about walking around during winter is that it's no sweating, just tiring. Oh, look at this. There is this kind of yeah, good deed. Feed the people from 6:30 to 7:45. So basically they are giving foods, yeah, to those people. Very nice. I actually end up here in the grocery, Woolworths, and yeah, these things I bought.